it to my bed. I know we ain't gon' make it to my bed, no. You know we ain't gon' make it to my.
Hello, YouTube. Right now I don't have anything on my face. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I just know that I'm going to film some type of makeup look for you. And I am not sure if I want it to be a voiceover or a talk-through video. Only because the talk-through videos are way freaking longer than voiceovers. But either way, I'm not gonna show you guys my base because I'm tired of showing you guys all the same products that I use over and over and over again. Once I come back, I'll have my base done, you know, foundation, concealer, and all that, and my brows. I'm not going to show my brows either, but I'll be right back. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with my eyes. Like, even after that whole entire time, I think it took me like, I don't even know what time it is right now, dude. I want to say it took me like 15, 20 minutes. And still don't have a clue as to what I'm gonna do. Every time I use this palette though, this NYX palette, I always want to use this green right here. Love it. Love that green. But I always do a green eye, I think. I think I always do a green eye. Have I showed you guys a full green eye though on YouTube? Or was that just Instagram? By the way, if you have not followed me on Instagram by now, my Instagram name is Forever Natisha. I'll put it on the screen so you can follow me on there. So I did decide that I'm gonna do a voiceover just because it's a lot easier to do that way. Okay, so first things first, I am going to be using my Yes Please palette from ColourPop Cosmetics. And the first shade I'm actually applying here is this French Kiss shade. And I'm going to just sweep that back and forth through my crease and on the outer corners of my eyes. And you're just going to keep blending and sweeping and blending and sweeping until it's how you need it to be. Then dipping into this, I hate when I say dipping, but going into this G and O shade, I'm going to be placing this in the center of my lids. And I'm just going to keep blending these out together, this orange and this brown shade. And I'm going to go back into French Kiss just to continue building up the intensity of both of these colors. Next, I'm taking both the shades Buttercake and Chauffeur, and I am really just placing this on the inner corners, sweeping it up towards the brown and the orange, and applying this under the eye. I don't know what you call that part. The under eye? Same with the G and O, and same with the French Kiss. Just going to do the same thing you did to the top to the bottom. And instead of using the applicator that comes with this liquid liner, I'm going to just be using a lip brush. I believe this is a lip brush. And I am just going to line my lids with that because it's a lot easier for me to do it this way. Now I'm just throwing on some mascara so that my natural lashes can blend with the falsies. And I'm just going to apply these off camera actually. So coming right back, I am going back into the Butter shade and the Buttercake and Chauffeur shade. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. Then just adding a nude lip from LA Colors in the shade Glisten. So this is the finished look, and I'm really feeling very fall time in this.
Let me sit this ass on you. Show you how I feel. Let me take this off. Will you watch me? That's mass appeal. Don't take your eyes